the return date for the final order of liquidation for Pumotsi Orkney was today, the 14th of April, in the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria. What we've managed to do is extend the return date until Friday, that's this coming Friday, whereafter the liquidators then intend extending the return date further. Today was also the final day for the funding to have been procured from Bestrock. As far as the other two entities are concerned, that is the entity down in the East Rand, Pumotsi East Rand and Pumotsi Free State. And we had a meeting this morning with representatives from Bestrock, and it was in fact a very fruitful meeting. And what came out of that meeting is that we require, as judicial managers on the one hand, and obviously provisional liquidators on the other hand, we require something concrete from the funders, the overseas bankers, that the funds are in fact available. We have been promised that a letter will be forthcoming from a European bank as far as Bestrock is concerned, confirming that the funds are in fact available. There is also another party that is interested in injecting capital together with the Bestrock people, and that is in the region of about 40, I think it's $40 million US. Regarding the deal that we have struck with JIC Mining, I'm pleased to inform that that agreement has been signed. It's all systems go as far as Orkney is concerned. As a start, the immediate number of people that would be brought back to work within the next couple of days would be in the region of about 1,200 people that used to work at Pumotsi Orkney, and within the next 3 months we hope that the full 2,800 complement or very close to that will be re-employed.
This is a very unique situation here. The liquidators have taken it upon themselves to rather than go for a fire sale approach and look at what the salvage opportunities may be vis-a-vis the settlement of creditors. The liquidators have taken a bold step to in fact try every attempt to turn this mine around and to resuscitate the revenue cycle so that at least the major stakeholders, being the workers and the creditors, could obtain some settlement in this respect. It is in this regard that JIC has been brought in. JIC, being a mining services company providing services to the industry at large, is fully equipped to be able to provide this kind of service. We believe that we have the operational and technical capability to be able to deliver on the liquidator's vision.